Welcome to Ivan Leathercraft. Today we're introducing a brand new professional Craftplus thread burner. Product comes with a heating element, a brass brush, and a USB-C charging cable. The housing is complete metal housing with a robust cap for storage in your toolbox or on your bench. The heating element is a screw-in type, which is approximately 1 millimeter working head, designed for cleaning those loose threads. So it's great for cutting and also sealing frayed webbing, just very precision thread burning applications. And it works across a variety of different types of threads: wax, polyester, nylon, and so forth. Because it can live in a toolbox or an area where the button can be pressed, the way you turn this device on is 5 quick clicks to activate the device into standby mode. Once it's in standby mode, you can press and hold the button, and that operates the device at 100% heating output. Whereas if you depress the button 3 times quickly, allows the device to work at 70% power for up to 5 minutes without pushing the button. And again, the 5 click on, 5 click off, added level of safety. So the device cannot turn on by itself if the button is depressed inside a toolbox or what have you. One other notable feature on this particular product is it has a rechargeable battery with a pass-through ability. So when the device does run out of charge, you're able to charge it and use it at the same time. Once again, this is a Craftplus professional thread burner. We are excited to introduce this item. Traditionally, you have to use lighters or other open flame type tools. This is a high precision device, which is much safer and yields fantastic results. And from all of us here at Ivan Leather, we do thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for other future product and videos.